Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about one of the most uh, good and used fertilizers, organic fertilizers for the kitchen. These are the eggshells. When you're using it, after that you need to wash it and dry it, and then what you can do, you can just grind it in your grinder. These eggshells have very good amount of calcium, so they are very much useful for the plants. You can even just crush it and put it on the soil in your plants.
Any specific plant you're talking about where it will be used?
No,
or in general?
In general you can use it because calcium is required for all the plants. But yes, there are some other important plants which I will be talking about in another video. So this you can just take a bit of it and put it in your plants. I'll just show you how. Powder, and what I'm going to do, just put it on the soil. This is the rose plant. I'm just putting it. Here is the curry leaf plant. So not too much and not very less. Hello friends, so today I'm going to give you another tip for your plants which will work as a very good organic fertilizer. So all of us eat the bananas at home, the ripe bananas. So what you're gonna do, you need not throw the peel. Either you take them or cut them directly and put it into the soil of the pot, or else what you can do is take a plastic container, fill it with water, okay, and then you need to put the banana peel inside. Okay, so you can put for this much of big container, you can put 3 to 4 peels, and then you need to cover it and leave it aside in this corner for at least 3 to 4 days. Then what will happen, the water will ferment, and that water will be very healthy for the plants. So you just need to, after 3 to 4 days, you just need to strain the water, and then little you can put in all your important plants and flowers. So today I will be telling you how to use the banana peel water for your plants. So I have soaked this banana peel in water in a plastic container and kept it somewhere in the shade for 3 to 4 days. So this is how it looks. Okay, it has been fermented, yeah. And what you can do after that, you can just tips for the organic fertilizer which you can use from your kitchen for your plants. So you can use the water of soaked any kind of bean. This is the green moon. So you soak it overnight or maybe 3 to 4 hours, and then you can strain this and then use it for your plants. So we can just mix it, and then the water you can strain it, and then you can use it. We can even use the soaked felt that my video was informative for you, then please like and subscribe and even share. Thank you.